In this video, we're going to find the derivative of tan inverse of x all squared. So what do we see? We have some function raised to some power. So we're going to want to use the power rule. Let's recall what the power rule tells us. The power rule says that if I want to take the derivative of, let's say, some function f of x raised to the nth power, then that equals n, the exponent comes down, times f of x to the n minus 1, right? We subtract a power from the exponent. And now we also need to use the chain rule, right? So we multiply this by the derivative of f of x. And so now here, in our problem, f of x is tan inverse of x. So before we actually apply the power rule to our function tan inverse of x all squared, let's recall what the derivative of tan inverse of x is. So the derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So now if we go to our original problem, dx of tan inverse x all squared, let's apply the power rule and see what we get. So the exponent is 2, so the 2 comes down. And now I have a tan inverse of x raised to the first power. Okay, and now we have to multiply by the derivative of tan inverse of x, which we just got is 1 over 1 plus x squared. And so this is our final answer. Just by looking at this, there's nothing we can really do to simplify this. This is as nice as it gets.